Burn it all down and collect the ashes. Build it back, respect your passion.
What's happening, YouTube? So, for a while now, I've been holding this in. You know, if you know me and you've been a fan of my music or following me for like 10 plus years, you would know that I was with the clothing brand Pistols in Paradise. You know, we started back then. He actually came to a show, and then he gave me his card or whatever, and he was trying to get these shirts, you know, popping. But he only had 2 shirts at the time, mind you. This was the beginning. So I hit him up. I looked at the website. I was like, oh, he got some, like, these 2 shirts is dope. I messaged him. He messaged me back. He was like, man, I want you to wear the brand. Like, well, I was wearing the brand. Like, man, if you go to all my Facebook pictures, old pictures, I'm wearing the brand. Like, we go way back. And even Pistols in Politics, we kind of incorporated the brand with the mixtape, you know what I mean? You know, was doing that for a long time, but to be honest, I wasn't really making no money. I was just doing it for the love, you know what I mean? Showing love and doing it. But I really didn't even think about it until, you know, someone put it in my head. But, you know, it's all good. So we kind of faded away, you know, and then I just went and did my own thing, whatever. And recently he reached out. We talked as men, you know. We ain't gonna get too much into it, but you know, we settled it out, and I'm partnered in this business, and man, it's gonna be a good thing, you know. He gonna be doing his thing. I'm gonna be making my ends on my end, you know. So I am officially back, part of Pistols in Politics. See, I'm thinking about the old mixtape, but I'm back with Pistols in Paradise. So, you know, y'all can use the code FRESH, Fresh, and then the link to the website will be always in every video. And you put in code FRESH, and you'll get 25% off your order, your shirt, whatever. You know, right now we got stocks of stuff, but we got some stuff going on with the printing stuff. But we're going to have like new launches. We plan on doing more clothing, like sweaters, 2-piece joggers, track suits, long sleeves. Like, we plan on doing a whole bunch of stuff, and, you know, just bear with us. But, man, show love, because I am part of this brand, you know, officially, you know, 25% in this, you know. So if you support me, you support the brand, you know, you helping out. But so anyways, not to ramble too much, you know, we're going to do the photo shoot today. The man himself. This man don't like to be on camera, y'all. Just know he's 6'8".
Oh, crazy.
Let's see.
Which one you want? Which one? This one?
Yeah, and that
I brought a medium and a large, cause like the mediums feel a little snug, but
they're like kind of like this is medium right here.
Yeah, the medium's on the top. I brought a large just in case.
Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot those tomorrow. Yeah. Fucking. It's hard, huh? Let me show them the drip real quick. The Air Max drip. Yeah. This man behind the scenes real low key. I'm trying to tell y'all. If you know him, you know him. If not, fuck it, you don't need to know him. Woo! You see that? Damn, bro. Let's try to show him. Here we go. Gonna shoot that. The OG ski mask.
I didn't even realize I had this shit on me right now too.
Oh, the Rolly?
It's not a real one.
For real? They got the Fugazi Rolly?
You got it in a whip.
You a fool.
I don't even wear it. I just put on the art pieces and shit.
Oh, on the back is the chick?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's better like that?
Yeah.
Some people like it like that.
Yeah, no, that's
Especially as we get older and shit too. Like,
for real. Nah, that's
the
clean.
shit on the front and the big shit on the back.
Yes, sir. So I'm gonna be shooting. In these two shirts today, and I got the other photo shoot tomorrow. I'm gonna be shooting. What's the name of this one again? The Centaur. The motherfucking, the Horseman. And then the OG Flamingo. Trying to tell y'all, we go back like fucking almost 10 years, huh? But we back in action, baby. Trying to tell y'all, make sure y'all use that code FRESH. Get 25% off on any of these tees. All these are in stock, right? All these are in stock. And let me know if y'all want to buy one in town in person. And shit, I'll link up with y'all. Get that to y'all. Yeah, man. But we waiting on where he at? He on his way?
Yeah, he said be here at
2:30. Ran gonna be here at 2:30, and then we gonna walk down here to these tunnels and shoot some photos and stuff. Get shit back popping, man. God damn it. Aw, shit. I'm on a... It's kind of dark down here. What kind of camera you got?
I have the Sony A7 II.
Oh, hell yeah. I'm vlogging on this Canon M50. Only thing that sucks about this camera is you can't change the lenses unless you get that, what is it called, a speed booster?
Oh, yeah.
So you only have this one fucking lens, but I only use it for vlogging. I don't be doing other shit. Those Sonys, motherfuckers.
What's that grip joint called that you hold?
Oh, the Gorilla Pod?
And the boom mic?
That's a mic, yeah. To sound, so all this wind right here won't pick up. Be straight. Damn. It's been a long time, man.
What's up, Ram? You have to set like 3 alarms and shit to get up?
Went to sleep early and got up late. Went to sleep. Oh, damn. Hey, tell him no.
I go to sleep like at 7.
At night? In the morning? What the fuck? What kind of schedule you on?
I get out of work at 5.
Oh, damn.
You work at Amazon?
Yeah.
Smell like piss and all kinds of shit these tunnels up. Damn. How the hell y'all find this?
This guy.
My cousin did a photo shoot
Oh,
here.
BMX bikes
Oh.
down here and shit.
Yeah, he did like a trick from this to this, like a cross.
Hey, this shit's fire.
Oh, yeah, this shit clean. I don't know whose art this is, but shout out to y'all, man. Whoever did this art. Dude.
I saw Johnny last night.
Jo-
You have his party in
Johnny Red. Shout out Johnny Red.
No, I couldn't, because it was early. It was like 7 to 11, and I didn't even get down. I didn't even get out till like 10.
Yes, sir.
He don't got no use for me now.
Yeah.
Hey, now he don't hit you up. That's cool.
He's still good.
That drip.
Do something.
I'm only looking in Vegas.
Hell yeah, that's our plan. Get poppin'. No syringes around this bitch, is there? Getting all crazy. Hey man, I'm gonna try to get y'all some behind the scenes footage, but let's see if y'all can see it's dark as hell in here, so I don't know how it's gonna work out. I don't know. Look. Straight?
Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it's recording.
What's up, Ram? What up?
What's up, man?
I'm gonna just do a few touchdowns.
As y'all see, we shot these quick photos. Shout out Ram. Hey, what's your Instagram?
ram.jpg.
ram.jpg.
Yeah.
Y'all hit them up, man. Y'all need photos, whatever. You know what I mean? It's a hefty price, but I don't know if y'all can hear me. These cars, as y'all can see, these cars is going over. But I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow for the next photo shoot, man. So, you know, that's a wrap for the photo shoot. We did the photo shoot at some tunnels, and you had to go through this tunnel, you know what I mean? And it was pretty cool. But when we came out to shoot the pictures, where we shot the pictures at cars and stuff was going by, it was pretty funny, man. It kind of fucked my head up a little bit, but we got through that. And then day 2 of the vlog, I went with Casey James. Day 2 of the vlog.
What's happening?
With the homie Casey James.
Hey.
What's up, little man?
Little Ace right here.
How you been?
This is fresh.
You got big, man.
Yep, he seen you when you was a little baby.
You was a little old guy.
Not so small anymore.
For real. Was he 6, 7 now?
These pictures, yeah, 6.
Damn.
First grade.
My daughter's 10.
Oh man.
Gonna be in 6th grade. We gotta walk through this one.
Oh yeah.
Man.
I've never been up in the course here. I've just driven around.
Oh, you just drove through?
I've been wanting to do a shoot.
Yeah,
And I was thinking about you the whole time, bro. I was like, I guess gotta be fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got that background, be clean.
Got all this, but then over here too, out in the field, they got some other.
Oh, that'd be better for the day, huh? Or you can get it at night. Look at him.
I be working the magic, bro.
That's Casey
You already know.
James, boy.
We keep it epic around here.
Yeah. Is your
Oh yeah, buddy, you could go play if you want. Just be careful, don't get hurt.
Is that your website?
Yes, sir.
Look at that right there, y'all.
Yep. Photography by CaseyJames.com. Yep.
Yes, sir. Any weddings, all that, y'all contact him. We gonna hit you with that invoice real quick on professional tip. Hey, quick story. This man right here, we was working together, and in the back, I told him follow his heart, and he said I'm quitting this job.
Yeah.
And he ain't had a job since, but this is his job.
Yeah.
Ever since. Well, how many years?
5 years.
5 years. Successful.
years.
So if you
Yeah.
want it, you go get it, bro. His first, he was like, man, I'm gonna go in here and try to get these quinceaneras, remember?
Yeah.
Putting cards in there. I'm proud of this dude, man. We go way back. Y'all don't even know. They don't even know, I'm telling you. Boy, Casey James, boy.
What's up?
Yeah, he's a beast.
You trying to show him the back of the camera?
Show him that.
Couple shots. Couple of these.
Just show him this boy. That boy beast,
I'm
man.
saying.
That's all they get. That's all they get.
Not too much, huh?
You got behind the scenes, look at him.
Yeah. I'll send you the clips or whatever.
Got his son out here, man. I'm telling you, this boy's a beast. His son gonna be a beast in the future. You know what I mean? First grade, killing it already. But yeah, man, that's a wrap. Came out here. He been thinking of this spot for a minute, trying to get me to come out.
Yes,
He's
sir.
like, come out.
Got it done.
So we got it done, man. Like I
Money
said,
shots.
go to his website, his Instagram.
Yes,
You
sir.
know, holla at him for inquiries or whatever you need, weddings, photo shoots. You know, just get at him.
All that.
So, you know what I mean? That's a wrap for this vlog, man. I'ma holla at y'all. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Peace. And did a photo shoot there. And me and Casey James go back. He's been trying to do this
this photo shoot we just did for a long time, so we doing that, and we knocked that out real quick. Casey got some, man, I already know he gonna kill those photos, so I'm just waiting on those photos from him, and man, I'm trying to get this popping, so make sure, man, like I said, Code Fresh for 25% off on your order on anything. Always use that code because it supports me, helps me out, and we're going to get the ball rolling. So I appreciate y'all tuning in with the boy. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that website, man. Peace.